Hello friends, I'm Himanshu, and in this particular video I'm going to describe you about autofill date option. Here I have written SUN, that's a 3 alphabets of the complete weekday, which is Sunday, and if I'm going to drag it, means doing the autofill up till the level of 15th row, then you can see here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are coming. This means that fill series is happening. If I'm going to this autofill option, you will find the fill series option. But if I want only Sunday to repeat, like the 3 characters only which is being written, I want to repeat that only, then simply I can select copy cell. If I have written Sunday complete, and then I'm going to drag it, so Monday, Tuesday and so on it will come, and fill series is happening definitely. If I have written 3 alphabets of the month, then definitely fill series will apply. If I will write the full name, and again the fill series will apply. But if I want only January to come, not the fill series, then I can select the copy cell option. Here I have written a proper date, that is 12th Jan 2012, and if I will do the autofill up till the label of 15th row, you will find that the days are changing, and this is because fill series is happening. Here you may find another option, that is of fill days. If you will select the fill days, it will not have any impact because that's the same option again, and the days will changing. Another option is fill months. Here you will see the months are changing. You will see another option of fill years, so again years are changing. And another option is fill weekdays. So here you will find weekdays means from Monday to Friday it's being considered, like 12th Jan and 13th Jan. After that you can see here it's 14 Jan and 15 Jan has not been considered because those are weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday. So this is how you need to apply date autofill options. Hope you have understood that properly, and we are not done yet in autofill parts. There are plenty more options that we are going to understand in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.